In the shadowy corridors of history, where time whispers tales of remarkable individuals, one figure emerges as a paragon of resilience, discipline, and Stoic virtue. Isaac Newton, the mastermind behind the laws that govern the cosmos, not only delved into the mysteries of the universe but also exemplified the Stoic philosophy in his daily life. As we embark on an introspective journey into the hobbies of this intellectual titan, we find ourselves standing at the precipice of profound wisdom, gazing into the abyss of self-discovery. It is said that Newton's pursuits were not mere pastimes but deliberate exercises in cultivating the virtues that define a Stoic soul. No. One, contemplative stargazing. In the silent contemplation of the night sky, Newton found solace. Like a Stoic sage, he sought tranquility in the vast expanse above, recognizing the insignificance of earthly troubles against the cosmic backdrop. He who is brave is free, the Stoic Seneca reminds us, urging us to confront our fears with the same courage that Newton gazed upon the heavens. No. 2. Hermetic alchemy. Amidst the bubbling crucibles and mysterious elixirs, Newton's pursuit of alchemy mirrored the Stoics' journey of self-transformation. The alchemist's quest for the philosopher's stone symbolizes the Stoics' relentless pursuit of inner virtue, turning base emotions into the gold of tranquility. No. 3. Disciplined mathematics. In the rig hour of mathematical abstraction, Newton discovered the sanctity of discipline. The Stoic Epictetus exhorts us to make the best use of what is in our power, echoing Newton's methodical approach to unraveling the secrets of the universe. No. 4. Meticulous record-keeping. Newton's meticulous documentation of his thoughts and experiments reflects the Stoic commitment to self-awareness. Seneca's words resonate. He suffers more than necessary, who suffers before it is necessary. In tracking his journey, Newton forged a path to understanding himself. No. 5. Physical austerity. The ascetic tendencies in Newton's lifestyle mirror the Stoic practice of physical resilience. Enduring discomfort, be it through fasting or self-imposed deprivation, he fortified his body and spirit, embodying the Stoic principle that true freedom lies in mastery over one's desires. Detached observation. Newton's Stoic demeanor was epitomized in his detached observation of the world. As the Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius observed, "It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it." Newton, in his unwavering focus, teaches us to use our time wisely and with purpose. No. 7. Mindful gardening. In the quiet cultivation of his garden, Newton found harmony with nature. Seneca's words echo through the leaves. He who fears death will never do anything worthy of a man who is alive. Amidst the blooms, Newton reminds us to embrace life without fear. No. 8. Solitary reflection. Newton's penchant for solitude mirrored the Stoic sage's need for introspection. In the sanctuary of silence, he communed with his thoughts, unraveling the complexities of existence. Seneca's counsel resounds: to protect your tranquility, stay away from the crowd. No. 9. Resilient resilience. Newton's ability to rebound from adversity, be it personal or academic, reflects Stoic resilience. As Epictetus declares, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Newton's life becomes a testament to the Stoic maxim of enduring life's vicissitudes with unwavering fortitude. No. 10. Legacy of legacy. In the enduring legacy he left behind, Newton reminds us of the Stoics' commitment to leaving the world better than they found it. The echoes of Zeno's words resonate: man conquers the world by conquering himself. Newton's legacy challenges us to conquer our inner turmoil and contribute meaningfully to the tapestry of human existence. As we delve into the tapestry of Newton's hobbies, we unearth not just a list of pastimes, but a blueprint for living in accordance with Stoic principles. Let us then heed the call to cultivate self-control, fortitude, and the indomitable spirit that defines the Stoic way. In the quiet interplay of philosophy and action, we discover the path to a life well lived, echoing the profound wisdom of those who have walked this Stoic journey before us.